Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the important topic of business cycles. First, what is the business cycle? A business cycle is also known as economic cycle or trade cycles. Means to fluctuation in economic activities, especially in employment, output and income, prices, profits. Means trade cycles. According to Mitchell, the business cycles are of fluctuation in the economic activities of organized community. Means business cycle. The adjective business restrict the concept of fluctuation in activities which are systematically conducted on commercial basis. In business cycle, in generally in a business process or in a economic activity, means it is a cyclical change in fluctuation of a business, means upward and downward movement of the activity, economic activity in the business cycles. Then what are the characteristics or features of a trade cycles? First characteristics is a business cycle is a synchronic, means when cyclical fluctuations starts in sector, it spreads to other sector. Means if in one if one business, if price decreases, is also effect on the other related businesses. Means a business cycle is synchronic, means one business activity also affect the other business activity. Then in a trade cycles, a period of prosperity is followed by a period of depressions. Hence trade cycle is a wave like movement. Means if the increasing in a certain period of in a business, means in a prosperity, means increasing the production, then increasing the price, make a profit. Then the change in next few days, the business is continuously decreasing the prices, the production is decreasing. Then the depression stage is started. Then next is the business cycle is recurrent and rhythmic, means the prosperity is followed by depression and vice versa. Means in a business cycle is the continuously process or cyclical process in the economic activity, like prosperity, then depression, then the recessions, then boom stage. And then next characteristics is a trade cycle is cumulative and self reinforcing, means each phase feeds on itself and create further movement in the same direction. Next one is a trade cycle is a system asymmetrical, means the prosperity phase is slow and gradual, and the phase of depression is rapid. Means in this the business cycles, the trade cycle is symmetrical in nature. Means the prosperity phase then followed by in they continuously, if the price decreases or decreasing the yield, the depression phase is started. Then next characteristics is the business cycle is not a periodical, means some trade cycles last for 3 or 4 years while others last for 6 or 8 years or even in more years. Means the business cycle is not periodicals. Thank you.